What's up? So today I noticed uh, it was some stuff with like plants and there was some stuff with crystals. And like I don't do not do not do plant magic or crystal magic.
This is how it is. This is how it gotta be. Ain't no talking no more, bro. Straight action. Stand the shit. And the shit.
This the way it should be, the way it should be. This the way it should be, the way it should be. I get back, get a match to the good beat. You feel the energy? This the way it should be, this the way it should be, the way it should be. This the way it should be, the way it should be. I get back, get a match to the good beat. You feel the energy?
I don't do magic at all because I'm a Christian. So you're a Christian, so I don't really touch magic. But I was looking up like herb shops for like oils and some different stones and crystals. And I noticed there was like books on like plant magic and like crystal magic. Don't do that. Don't do. First of all, don't do any type of magic. And second of all, do not do plant and crystal magic. It's pointless. But I was going through my collection of plants. As you can see, I got the succubus. I got 2 succubus and 1 spider. So I got 2 succulent plants, and then I got 1 spider. And then on my crystal side, I don't know where my jasper went to. I keep a collection. I put them in a bag. Sometimes I put them out. Swear I put it there, but my jasper is gone. But for the start of my day on like Mondays, or start of the week, I actually put the reds out, and then by the end of the week, I be putting the purples in. So on my Mondays, I keep a tiger's eye for my confidence. You see what I'm saying? I keep a tiger's eye for my confidence. And then throughout the week, when the week go, my citrine, you see what I'm saying, look like an orange, but that mug glow. My citrine, I keep that for like when I'm making stuff, or like the middle of the week, when I feel like I ain't got time for a lot, but I'll do something little. So like my citrine keep me into like that creative mode, to where I'm manifesting and like I'm actually making stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like out of nothing. You see what I'm saying? Blank paper to Naruto or something. See what I'm saying? But that's what I keep for the middle of the day. But I notice on Thursdays I focus on money, because either Thursday or Friday you get paid. So my crystal for money, my money crystal is gone. Like, I checked everywhere. I lost it. Sometimes I lose crystals. I lose crystals on purpose, because it's a good sign. When you lose something, it means something equivalent is actually about to come into your life. So it's cool to lose stuff. All right. Also, since I noticed my crystal for money was gone, what was it? It was aventurine. When my aventurine was gone, I noticed, dang, I ain't even have a job when I noticed it. But that's what we need to get. We need to go in the shop and get some aventurine, and also my jade is gone. I had a pyramid jade. Where is it at? I don't know. But only thing left, look, only thing left is 3 of these. I got 3 tiger's eyes. You see what I'm saying? I keep them in a little bag. Citrine, I keep in a bag that is just like real spacious. And then amethyst. These are the only crystals I got. I got these 3, and that's it. So, amethyst I'll just put in my sleep. By the end of the week, I'm just focused on rest. So I'll put the amethyst by my bed because it helped me sleep good. When you're waking up at night, sometimes people plotting. So like that keep me sleep the whole night, amethyst. But that's what we need to get. We need to go in there, get some jade, get some aventurine, and we need to get some plants. All right, let's go. No Jasper here, but we're gonna check out another shop. That's actually on the same block. So we're gonna check out another shop. They have everything here except Jasper. We got some malachite, some yellow jasper, but that's it. So we out. Alright, so the other shop, the owner is not there. They're not available right now. So it looks like no jasper. We can't find jasper anywhere, and we probably just gonna have to boil down to some type of green crystal. I was looking at it was like a heart stone. I don't know what it was, but it was a heart stone. Let's go back and get something green. We're missing the money crystal. Yo, they got noodles. They got the anime noodles, but $13, G, for a pack. For 1 pack, 13. Go to the cups, baby. Go to the cups. $11, G. I'ma still shop. Probably do. Alright, so we're just gonna go with aventurine. No jasper. If it's sitting, go ahead and get the square, the cube. If it's gonna be in use, like energy, I will go ahead and get the yellow. We're just gonna get 1 aventurine to get back on top of our money. Alright. Wow. It's just a random tomato plant outside somebody's company. It's a good idea. It's a random tomato plant. It's a good idea. I know people be experimenting, but 2 shops that I went to did not have plants. One of the owners wasn't there, but they was on the same block. It's actually 3 spiritual stores on the same block. Like 2 to 5 minute walks away from each other. Okay. None of them have crystals that I'm looking for though. Jasper. Need that jasper. They do not have jasper. But as you can see, they got aventurine. And believe it or not only was the Q350, the circle, the oval, the spherical one, was actually $150 and this was $350. I'm like, wow, that's a big difference. So she gave it to me for free. For whatever reason she gave it to me for free, which is really cool of her. And you know, I want to thank her. I pray for the shop, and I'll be sure to, you know, think of her in my blessings. The owner actually gave me a free crystal. Alright, I'll be sure to come back too. Alright, so that's it. We got our crystals. Do we have time for plants? Yeah, let's do it. I just pulled up at Menards. Hopefully they got some succulents. Menards was the closest, so you know I was gonna go to Home Depot or Menards closest. So let's see their garden centers. Let's see, cause crystal shop, all the crystal shops, none of them have jasper. I'm here looking for just some succulents or snake spider plants. Either one of those. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see the succulent.
Oh, yeah, one second.
Okay.
Might not have any stuff. There's a few on these tables, so I don't think we have any in stock. Don't have them here.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Is
Alright.
there anything else you need to help find in?
Anything else? Nah, that's pretty much. What do y'all got? Like snake plants or spider plants? Like any house plants?
No, everything that we have is going to be on the inside right here, but we normally don't get houseplants.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Yeah.
That's what's up. There you go. They do not have any succulents, spider plants, no snake plants. So what we're able to grab out of our whole search is a venturing. Maybe something to think about, but you know, that's just what I get. Alright, that concludes our search. See y'all in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to RJRockfilmz and show your face on YouTube. Put your profile on there so I can see you. Alright, y'all, I'm out.